Welcome to the dynamic world of freelancing with AI, where the intersection of innovation and opportunity creates a landscape of endless possibilities. As technology continues to advance, AI developers play a pivotal role in shaping the future. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a newcomer, eager to explore the frontiers of artificial intelligence, this comprehensive guide is your compass to navigating the freelance terrain. Understanding the freelance AI ecosystem. In this vast and evolving freelancing ecosystem, AI developers find themselves at the forefront of cutting-edge technology. From machine learning algorithms that predict user behavior to natural language processing models that enhance communication, freelancers in the AI realm have the chance to contribute to transformative projects. By understanding the intricacies of this dynamic landscape, you can tailor your skills to meet the diverse demands of a market hungry for innovative AI solutions. Building a robust portfolio. Your portfolio is not just a collection of past projects. It's your digital showcase, a visual representation of your capabilities as an AI developer. Populate it with impactful projects that highlight your problem-solving prowess and creativity. Whether it's a sentiment analysis tool that gauges user emotions or a recommendation engine that enhances user experience, ensure your portfolio not only demonstrates technical proficiency, but also effectively communicates the value your solutions bring to the table. Effective networking in the digital sphere. Networking is a cornerstone of success in the freelancing world. Leverage online platforms like LinkedIn, GitHub, and specialized AI communities to connect with like-minded professionals. Engage in meaningful discussions, share your insights, and keep a keen eye on potential opportunities. Building a robust online presence can open doors to collaborations and projects that align perfectly with your AI aspirations. Mastering the art of bidding. Bidding on projects is an art that requires finesse. Craft personalized proposals that speak directly to the client's needs, demonstrating a clear understanding of their objectives. Highlight your relevant experience, outline your unique approach, and show how your AI skills can provide effective solutions. Standing out in a competitive landscape demands more than technical know-how. It requires effective communication and a thorough understanding of the client's expectations. Staying updated with AI trends. The AI landscape is dynamic and ever-evolving. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial for a freelance AI developer. Regularly update your skill set, explore emerging technologies, and be adaptable to change. Clients seek professionals who not only possess current expertise, but also have a vision for the future of AI. Position yourself as a forward thinker, and let your adaptability be a key asset in the competitive freelancing market. Navigating challenges and learning from setbacks. Freelancing comes with its fair share of challenges, from project delays to managing client expectations. Embrace these experiences as invaluable learning opportunities. Adaptability and resilience are key traits that will propel you forward in your freelancing journey. Remember, every challenge you overcome is a stepping stone to greater success, and the ability to learn and pivot will set you apart in the competitive world of freelance AI development. Freelancing as an AI developer is a thrilling journey filled with innovation and opportunities. By understanding the nuances of the freelance AI ecosystem, building a compelling portfolio, effective networking, mastering the art of bidding, staying updated with AI trends, and navigating challenges with resilience and adaptability, you position yourself for success in this dynamic field. Embark on this adventure, hone your skills, and let your expertise shine in the world of freelance AI. Thank you for joining us on this insightful exploration of freelancing with AI. If you found this guide helpful and want to stay updated on the latest developments in the world of AI freelancing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more in-depth content, and may your freelance endeavors in the world of AI be both rewarding and fulfilling. Until next time, Happy freelancing!